Hi everyone, my name is Zenith and I am back again with another video. And in this video, we will be learning some more information about HTML, and I'm going to try my best to make it much more interesting throughout the whole course, and this is the course 4. So if you want to have a look at the previous courses, you can go and have a look at them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So right now I do have a blank web page, and we're going to learn today how you can make the text bold, underline, and a bonus style, which we will be learning today, and much more. So I just have these four sentences because we're going to put the styling on these four sentences. So make sure you've got them ready. Any four sentences. Now, so the first tag which we will be learning today will be the bold tag. Now the bold tag, then there are bold tag, there is the italics tag, then there is the underline tag, and you can combine these tags together. Like for example, you want sentence to be bold and underline, yes you can do it. Underline and italics, yes you can do it. Any combination you want. So this is the bold tag, and all of these tags come in pairs. So it will have the closing tags. Now let us check this sentence which we have created bold. It should be a bit thick now. And yes, this turned into bold. Now for the next one, we will apply the next one for the italics. So the italics tag will also have a closing tag. Let's check it. And this turned into italic. So here's the thing to note: whenever you will be turning a sentence into italic, it will become a bit thin, and it will also give its formation a slant. It will be a bit tilted. So those are two things you can note. Now let's go for the underline. For the underline, you would have tried closing tag. But they are quite simple and you can easily remember them. Personally, they are quite easy. So now let's check. Okay, so it got underlined. Yes, it has got a quite thin line under it, if you can see. Okay, back to our web page. Now let's see if we can combine any of these. So okay, let's check for the italics. If you want to combine the italics and the underline, as I had told, you can do, and I can also show you right now that you can do it. You can combine any of these styles. And this one got underlined as well as it is italics. Same can be done for the bold. And now here's the bonus one, and it's called the strike. It means that you're putting a line through your sentence, and it's called a strikeout. So let us see. For this one, it will be actually the word strike, and also its closing tag. Don't forget to put the forward slash, and there you go. That's easy. Now when you will check your web page, you will see a slash through it. A line has gone through it and it's cut. So that's quite good looking. Now let's go for a new type of writing that's called subscript and superscript. Sometimes you might have seen in dates that it is, for example, 1st January 2021. You might have seen in some places that the ST, which is stands out for first, is written in superscript. So you can also do that in HTML. So for example, we want to write a date in HTML. Let's write it 1st January 2021. So right now you can see it's 1st January 2021. I've written this as an example. Now if you go and check, it will have no superscript on it. It is not a superscript form, the ST, and it will just appear like this, simple, very simple form. Now how you can put the superscript? Superscript basically means it will appear above the line. You can't see the line in HTML, but it will look like it's above the line. So for the superscript, it's quite easy. You need to put sup. You need to put sup and sup around the word or letter or symbol you want to make in superscript. Want to make it appear in superscript. And now let's check, and it should appear in superscript. Okay, so the first also has, okay, so here's the mistake. January also has gone in superscript. Maybe I have done a mistake. And yes, I forgot to close the tag. Okay, now it should be looking good. The January 21st went into superscript instead of first. Okay, okay, now you can see that the first, this little st is now in superscript form. So now if you want to put something like in subscript, and subscript is the total opposite of superscript, and it means putting the word or letter or symbol below the line. So for example, we will take H2O. It's a compound water. So in H2 you might have seen that H2O2 will be in subscript form. So let us write it first. Let us write it first in simple form. So let's write it in simple form, and then we're going to check how we can make this into a subscript form. Only the number 2. Okay, so first I will view the simple form. How does it look in simple form? And yes, H2O like this. Now for creating it in subscript, you will need to write just like the superscript but with sub, and this also has a closing tag. So sub to and closing tag sub. And now let's check. It should appear in a subscript form. And it's done. It has now appeared in the subscript form. The 2 is down below the line. So okay. That's what I all had for today, and I'm going to see you soon in another video. And make sure you subscribe, and so that you can get more info about my channel on time. And I'm going to see you soon. Bye.